Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up the windscreen washer system of your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. If you have this little lamp switched to on, then it's time to top up the windscreen washer system. First step, open the driver's side and pull the lever on the left side. That will go that could open the car hood, as you can see. Now we have access to the car engine area. There it is. And on the left side, if you're standing in front of it, you can see this blue cover, not the bigger one. You only use the smaller version of the blue cover. The blue cover contains a windscreen washer picture on top, and if you're opening it, you can see there is a filter inside. Okay, let's go and have a look. This filter is to sort some big things out. You should use it, but you can use it by your own. But first you have to clean it, okay? Now we will dip a little bit of windscreen washer liquid inside for winter time. Take a look. The windscreen washer system needs coolant. The coolant level should be mixed by the windscreen washer liquid. If you are putting the windscreen washer liquid inside, for often it is minus 20 degrees Celsius, and you can add some water too to get the coolant level a little bit down or up. And up, if you give a little bit water inside, it will goes up. So it's at the beginning minus 20 degrees Celsius. If you dip up with water, it's only 10 or so. So take care in the winter time. Don't let only water in this tank. If you're dipping so much wind washer liquid inside as the bubbles are coming out of the tank, that's enough. That means stop with windscreen washer system uploading some delicious liquid inside. That is enough. Now let's have a wash up with a filter. We will use the windscreen washer system liquid 2 for this, and upside down, and then you can see the dust and the dirt will come out. And of course, you can push it back in position and dip more liquid inside because of the filter. The filter lets the dirt outside and only get in the liquid. So dip it back in position, maybe get more water and windscreen washer system liquid inside. If you've finished it until you see the bubbles, you can close the cover again. Here you can see dipping is possible. Now close the cover and job's done. Now your windscreen washer system has so many soap power in it, and coolant level is high. That is enough. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. And of course, close the car hood. Soon. Good job, and nice car, as you can see. Yeah.